You need some CBD and you need some CBD and everyone just needs some CBD. Hi, I'm Fit Maddie Wilson. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a partnership with the amazing Budzy. This is a CBD subscription box and this month is focused on all woman-owned brands. It is the Boss Babe box and I'm so excited to be partnering with them. Real quick, I've been using CBD for over a year now. I use it topically, I use it in my teas, I've used it in pretty much every single way possible, and I'm so excited to try new CBD products. If you don't know a lot about CBD, I will link some videos down below, but just a quick recap, this is non-addictive, this is non-psychoactive, you do not get high from CBD. It is legal and I'm so excited to open it, so let's just dive in. Right on top we have a cute little card that is the Boss Babe by Budzy, August 2020. I don't want to open this yet, and we'll come back to that because I want all of this to be a surprise. So this first thing on top, you know how I was like, oh, I've used like all the CBD products. Well, I have never had CBD mac and cheese. This is so cool. This is a hemp extract macaroni and cheese with cheddar, green chili, garlic. This is wild. And then you make everything inside of it. So it has like the little line right here and you fill up the water. I'm gonna go make this for my boyfriend tonight. Okay, this next one is speaking to me. It says calm. And I mainly use CBD at nighttime. I love to put it under my tongue and I love to put it in my tea at night for a calming effect. So this is so cute. This is a cannabis inhaler. Again, non-psychoactive. It's made with hemp, cedar wood, essential oils like lavender, orange, actually has pink sea salt in it. It is organic and this company is from Oregon. I'm from Washington and I swear everyone in the Pacific Northwest is all about CBD. I'm gonna keep this right next to my bed. It smells so good. And with a box like this, like I don't know how CBD, like inhaling it, how that works. Like what's the benefit? I want to learn. Like I feel like I know so much, but I actually like know nothing about CBD right now. That's adorable. That's amazing. So we have mac and cheese, we got a calming thing. These are products that I've never ever thought I would ever get. I honestly didn't know they made all of this stuff. Okay, this is so cool. There's 2 bottles of hemp infused chili oil. That is so cool. These bottles are so nice. Okay, let me read about them. There's these little cards that come with them. So these are 2 recipe cards that you can make. And there's the Bang Bang Shrimp. When you use the hemp infused chili oil, it is 5 milligrams per serving. And then, oh, a pineapple old fashioned. Yes. So each one is like a little recipe card. So you can eat your mac and cheese and then you can have a drink and then you can have some shrimp. This is so amazing. And then when you get stressed out because you just cooked all night, you can just smell this. Next up in the box is my favorite ever. I love using CBD for my muscles. If you follow me here or on my Instagram, you know that I've lost 100 pounds and I work out a lot. I love lifting weights. Now it's just part of my healthy lifestyle and I need some muscle marvel. So this is for muscles and joints and I want to save one of these and actually give it to my grandma. My grandma had hip surgery. It was about like a month or so ago and she's doing better. She's walking. She still is like sore though. And I would love for her to try CBD out. I'm just gonna rub some on the back of my hand to see what it smells like. It honestly doesn't smell like anything. That's so nice. Some CBD lotions are just like so pungent and sometimes, like I had one that smelled like pickles before and like my boyfriend's like, you just smell like pickles, and I stopped using it. But this is so nice. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm so excited to use this on my back. Well, I'll have my boyfriend rub it in on my back. Before I dive into the next 2 things, I did want to let you know that I have a discount code for you all. It is only active for 48 hours though. Only active. I'm gonna leave it here on the screen. If you want to get this box, they sell it really fast, so make sure to use that code. I'll have links down below. I will pin a comment, but use that code to get this box for only 50 bucks and free shipping. Next up, it looks like some type of skincare, which I have not really experimented with CBD skincare. This is actually to get rid of acne and bacne. I know CBD is an antibacterial, which makes sense why it would help get rid of acne. So they recommend if you have bacne, which I've struggled with bacne many times in my life, is to put it on like a sponge or a loofah and kind of get it back there. repeat morning and night. You can use it on your whole body or your back, whatever. It smells very, very clean. I don't really like, I mean, I love fragrances, don't get me wrong, but if something's gonna get rid of my acne, I don't need it to smell like really good. Like, you don't need to add the added fragrances for me. So I am so excited to try this. I did want to show you the little info card up close and one other cool thing on the back. So these are the little characters and I think they're so cool. I feel like I'm a puff. You'll have to let me know what character you think I am. You can actually vote on the characters on their website. I will leave that link down below. But this is what I want to show you. So this is so cool. If you don't know what a QR code is, I feel like people do, but maybe you're not a millennial and you've never used them. But you just open up the camera on your phone, I'm using my boyfriend's phone, and then you just put your camera over it, and once you center it over it, it like just pops up right here. So it takes you to this amazing artwork, and it actually is, this is so cool, the conversation between all of the different characters and how to use the products and what they're about. Like, definitely gonna use this after the gym and on the go, and that's so cool. So it definitely gives you like more ideas how to use it and really cool artwork. So don't forget to use that after you get your box. Next up is actually a fade fighter. Again, usually I use CBD for relaxing, but this is a natural way to have better focus and for wellness. So it's 3 chewable hemp tablets, TH free, of course. It helps with energy and focus. It even asks on here, are you feeling faded? I am a little bit faded, but I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna use this tomorrow, like midday. It's like 6 o'clock right now. I don't need to take this right now. I love their little slogan, don't feel crappy, feel better. I'm so excited to try this. There's so many unique products. Like, what is this? The packaging is adorable. Okay, these are obviously super holographic. It's called Sun Drops and they're little single serve. You just add this to your drink and there's 5 milligrams in here. I think that's so awesome. I'm gonna try it right now. I don't have a drink in front of me, but I kind of just took it as like a little shot, and it has like a slight hint of like an herbal taste, but nothing overpowering. I feel like if you put this in like lemonade, I'm just thinking lemonade because it says Sun Drops on here, but some type of even tea, like this you wouldn't be able to taste it. And lastly, this is really cool what Budzy does, is they're all about education, about ending the stigma around CBD, which I love so much. Like, if I talked to my family about CBD like a year ago, they'd be like, you're doing drugs, and I'll be like, no, I'm not. And now it's to a point where like I can give this to my grandma and she would be okay with that. Like, the more I educate myself, the more it will be beneficial for others. So this is just education cards, and in every single box you get education cards, and it's something that you just keep with you, and if you need to refer back to it, or if you want to hand this to a friend and be like, here's some information, you should read this. And this month is all about the guide to microdosing. We got 10 products in this box. Again, with my code, it's only $50 a month, and for 10 products, like, that's amazing. I think that's such a good deal. I've definitely spent like $75 on one CBD product before, and this is like stuff that I would never try before. It is really curated for women, and I'm just so grateful to be working with them. Thank you, Budzy. If you have any questions about CBD, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will try my best to give you some resources. If you want to see this again for next month's box, please let me know. I would love to work with this company again. I can't wait to be testing these products over and over again. Make sure to check me out over on Instagram. I will be updating you on all of these products when I make stuff. If I'm using this still, I feel like I'm going to use this so much. But I will give you updates over there, so make sure to go check me out over there. And lastly, if you made it to the end of the video, please leave a green heart emoji. If you leave that emoji down in the comments below, I will be replying to it, each and every one with that emoji. I reply. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you again, Budzy, for making this video happen. I love this box so much. Thank you. I will see you all next week at 3 o'clock. Bye.